In the heart of Montego Bay, Jamaica, nestled amidst the vibrant streets and bustling nightlife, there lived a taxi man named Winston. Winston had spent countless nights weaving through the city's labyrinth of roads, ferrying passengers to their destinations with a smile and a story to share. On this particular night, weary from a long shift, Winston decided it was time to call it quits and head home. As he drove along the dimly lit streets, the rhythmic hum of his taxi engine filled the air. Winston's mind drifted, replaying the day's events and anticipating the comfort of his own bed. But fate had other plans in store for him that night. At a quiet intersection, illuminated only by the faint glow of streetlights, Winston spotted a figure standing by the roadside. She was a vision of elegance, her silhouette swaying gently in the night breeze. Intrigued, Winston pulled over and rolled down his window. "Need a ride, miss?" he called out, his voice cutting through the stillness of the night. The woman turned to face him, her features bathed in the soft glow of the streetlight. Her eyes sparkled with an otherworldly charm, and her smile was as enchanting as the moonlight. "Yes, please," she replied, her voice like a melody that danced on the air. With a polite nod, the woman gracefully entered Winston's taxi, her presence filling the car with an aura of mystery and allure. As they embarked on their journey, Winston couldn't help but strike up a conversation with his enigmatic passenger. They talked about everything under the Jamaican sun, from the bustling streets of Montego Bay to the secrets hidden within its lush jungles. Time seemed to slip away as they laughed and shared stories, their voices mingling with the gentle hum of the night. Eventually, they arrived at the address the woman had given Winston, a quaint house nestled at the edge of town. With a warm smile, she thanked Winston for the ride and bid him farewell. Winston watched as the woman disappeared into the darkness, her form gradually fading from sight. Confused but intrigued, he turned to look at the empty seat beside him, expecting to see her once more. But to his astonishment, there was no one there. Realization dawned on Winston like a bolt of lightning: the beautiful woman he had picked up was not of this world. She was a ghost, a fleeting apparition from a realm beyond his comprehension. As he sat in stunned silence, Winston couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. For in that brief encounter, he had glimpsed the magic that lay hidden in the shadows of Montego Bay, a magic that would stay with him forever. And as he drove home through the quiet streets, Winston couldn't shake the feeling that he had just embarked on the ride of a lifetime.